FSD build scale. Installation instructions.
1. Unpack accessories and verify completeness. 2. On-site construction tool preparation. 3. Selecting the installation location. 4. Lifting the belt facilitates installation. 5. Removal of idler rollers and idler roller supports. 6. Cut the base plate from the disassembled roller support for future use. 7. Place the weighing bridge on the conveyor frame, with the sensor facing the direction of belt movement. 8. Adjust idler spacing. The standard idler spacing within the range of 3 to -3, with an error not exceeding 5 mm.
Includes both weighing and non-weighing idlers.
9. Prefix the weighing bridge frame. Drill holes on both sides of the conveyor frame according to the adjusted spacing positions. Prefixed weighing bridge insert bolts, place flat washers, spring washers, and attach nuts. 10. Install weighing idler brackets. Prefix the weighing idler bracket, insert bolts, place flat washers and sew without tightening. 12. Install load-bearing idlers. Select idlers in good condition, free from eccentricity or vibration, and mount them onto the idler bracket. 13. Mark the center point of the trough bottom idler. 14. Place U-shaped shims beneath the 4 and -4 roller brackets to elevate them by 5 mm. 15. Lay out the alignment lines, starting from the 4 roller to the -4 roller. First position the center line along the bottom of the trough roller, then place the contour lines on both sides of the trough roller. Secure the line ends with weights or tighten them to ensure all 3 lines are taut and straight. 16. Sideways adjust the roller bracket positions based on the center point to align the bottom center point with the center line. 17. Using the elevation lines on both sides, adjust the roller bracket height with U-shaped shims so that all rollers within the line tensioning range are tangent to the straight line. 18. Upon completion of adjustment, all idlers within the string line range shall be at the same linear height, 5 mm higher than the original idlers, and aligned longitudinally on the same center line. The weighing roller bracket maintains a sufficient safety distance from the static beam of the weighing bridge. 19. Tighten all screws and nuts. Retract the string line. 20. Install barcode optional. 21. Install the speed encoder. The speed encoder is mounted on the non-load-bearing idler bracket in the direction of belt operation. Finally, connect the wires, lay out the cables, and put down the belt. Thank you. Welcomes your contact.